I just kind of like, I got up earlier than, I got up early, so I'm just here drinking my coffee before work. I don't feel too good today. Since yesterday, I've been feeling not the greatest. Good morning, Navea. Navea? Okay, she don't like talk to us. But yeah, I've been having like pain in my leg. Maybe from all the walking and I rode my bike. So my feet feels like swollen, my ankle. Yeah, I don't want to go to urgent care because I'll just wait. Yeah, last night I wasn't feeling, I don't know what was going on. It's just like I was having a hard time. Like maybe it could have been anxiety when I was sleeping. I don't know. I just was feeling so weird. But still not feeling the best at this time. But I'm still gonna go to work because I missed a lot of days of work. I did try to test again and I'm negative, but I was just like feeling coughing, stuffy. I don't know, it was weird. I don't know what's going on, but I do have I'm gonna change my doctor because I want to go to a facility that has the blood work and the x-rays and all that stuff, so I can do like one place instead of having to go all the way down there and then gotta go all the way down here to get x-rays, and there, it's really humbug. So that's what I'm gonna do, guys. So this is my life. It's not very interesting, guys, because I don't drive, so I can't take you guys anywhere. I catch the bus, so, and all I do is go to work and come home. But anyways, yeah, my legs feel funny. I think because I got injured in my knee on the right side, so that could be the problem. Maybe that's why it's swollen on the right side of my leg. All boss up. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get ready for work, and I'll see you all in a bit. Okay, guys, so this is what's happening now. After the COVID, I tested. After I was in quarantine, I was okay, and then I went back to work Friday. So it's like I feel really lousy, and I can feel that my asthma is acting up. So, yuck. So it's not over when you test negative. It's not over. I would like to say Saturday is when I started feeling really lousy. Like weak, tired. When I eat, I feel like nauseated, kind of. It just kind of like all messed up it's just feeling really shitty. And like when I went to physical therapy today, and then my physical therapist said that she got COVID too in January, and it took her at least 3 more weeks after that to recover fully, to get back to normal. And then like right now I get really I can't tired really fast. Yeah, and I just been having body ache, pain. I don't know, because to me, if you have an injury, to me, when you get viruses, the virus just kind of attacks your injury and makes it more sore, if that makes any sense. That's how I feel about it. So I've been in some pain. I just right now don't look very well. I look sick. And yeah. And I tried cleaning the downstairs, so I only got to half of it. Only got to mop and vacuum half of it. I'm trying to still get to the other side, but I've been really not feeling good. I hate doing the whole thing because it makes me really shaky and jittery. Ugh. Yeah, just like, even though, you know, I just not feeling too good lately. Hold on, guys, hold on. Okay, so I'm putting my stuff in there. But yeah, like, I just, look at that, I just like, yeah, feeling yucky. Oh, you want to go outside? Huh? We just went outside though. Okay, shut the door. Come on, we're going in the back. Sit down, okay? In a bit. Hi, Novelle. So she's been standing there for, I would like to say, maybe over 10 minutes. She hasn't moved. She's just checking out everything. Hey, sister. What you doing? Maybe she's enjoying the breeze. Good morning, everyone. So I almost missed my bus this morning. I had my alarm on, but then I think I turned it off and then went back to sleep. Don't mind that mark on my face, is from my mask. But I feel much better today. So after, you know, after the COVID, after I tested negative, I still wasn't feeling the best. I would like to say this past week I've been feeling like I needed to do my asthma medicine, so my chest was feeling tight. I was feeling really exhausted, tired, but today feeling better, so that's great. Yeah, so it's a terrible thing, the COVID, man. I mean, I for myself did not get it as bad as other folks that I've seen, but just vlogging my experience. So I still get a little like exhausted just walking. So like I wasn't needing to take my asthma medicine for years, you know, for years. And now I have to take it daily. Yep, so I'll just like vlog my day today. Alrighty. Look at that beautiful rainbow. But you see right there, that's supposed to be for the rail. Yeah, I don't personally don't think it will ever run, but whatever. Yeah, but look at the rainbow. Okay guys, so my hair messy, so I'm gonna put this mask on there. Yeah, I look kind of like a mess today, but I almost didn't wake up for my bus. Oh my god, I almost missed it. Good thing they called me. Ooh, I would have been like not at work. But anyways, I look like this is a hot mess. But yeah, so just wanted to give an update on how I'm feeling and stuff. Feeling not 100% from COVID, and now I just have like a really bad cough, chest tightness. I think it's my asthma. It triggered it, not full on, but it's a little bit, you know. So I thought after I'm negative it's all good, but no, there's still a little way to go, you know. You still gotta get all that toxins out of my body. Yeah, I
gonna try to make some meatballs in the air fryer. Just want to make meat with some vegetables. So that's what I'm gonna make for my dinner tonight. Sorry guys. And then I'm gonna add this egg in there. Then I'm gonna add some seasoning. Try this because it says I can put it on anything. Everything but the bagel sesame seasoning blend. Right? Mix. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just making any kind because I ran out of ideas. So I'm gonna just do this. Alrighty, there you go. I'm gonna go test this out and probably put it on 5 minutes for now. Alrighty, then I'm gonna go ahead and clean this mess here. Okay guys, so I just put it in the air fryer for 10 minutes. I should have put cheese inside, but I wasn't thinking. There you go. What's going on? So that's gonna be my dinner for tonight, guys. That's what I'm having for dinner with a little bit of mayo. Yes, guys. So I had some vegetables for lunch today, and then I'm trying to eat healthier, guys. Hopefully, I can do it. Hey guys, so just vlogging my week. And I'm doing an update on how I'm feeling. I just been, as you seen earlier in the video, just feeling a lot of congestion still from the COVID. So there's feel like a lot of things going on here. And then my chest. Yeah, so it's not really over. Hopefully it will be over soon. But right now I'm at Queen's Hospital in town. I go to see my orthopedic surgeon. So we're gonna be doing another MRI and another nerve test. If you never had a nerve test, oh my God, it's so sore. But my doctor said if the nerves are abnormal, that's when it'll be painful, and when it's not painful, that means your nerve is good. But it was painful the last one I had. Ooh, it was so sore. I wanted to cry. But I'm just having bagel with some cream cheese on top. I've been doing really well with eating. I've been just doing maybe like a bagel a day, or I've been doing really good on my eating. Haven't been snacking as much. If I do snack, I got some pistachio or some celery, something like that. And then I'm just doing Americano. But yeah, not much excitement lately for me. Yeah. Hope you all are doing fantastic. Today is Wednesday. I'm just waiting for my bus.
Morning, guys. So today is Thursday. I'm starting my work week all over again, and today is a much better day. I feel much better today. So every day it gets better and better. But yeah, I'm gonna close out my video, and I shall see you all in my next upload. You guys take care and God bless. Mwah.